Resistors in series and parallel. Now, what are resistors? Resistors are components in an electric circuit that opposes the flow of electric current. So resistors can either be represented like this or like this. So now, if resistors in series, now total resistance will be equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So, but if in parallel, it will be 1 over R, that will be 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Okay, now how will you know resistors in series or in parallel? Now this one is in series because the same electron that is passing through equally the same quantity of electricity. So the first current enters R1, same current moves into R2, and same current moves out. So they are connected in series. The current moves serially. Now this is in parallel because when the current comes here, now at that point it's going to divert into this. So not the same current that flows into the two sides. So the current moving this way is going to divert. So you should know that. So the current moves to R1 and moves out, then moves into R2 and then moves out. So before it moves out, so they are automatically in parallel. So this one is a combined one because at first this one R1 is in series, the same current flows into it. So when it gets to this midpoint, it is going to divert, separate. So not the same quantity that flows into R2 and R3. So they are in series, and this one is in parallel. First R1 is in series while R2 and R3 are in parallel. So now which is in series and which is in parallel? This is in series because the current moves serially, so same amount of current flowing. Now the second one is in parallel because now when current moves in from here, it's going to divert into this, into here, into R3 and into R4. So they all move together out in this form, so they are in parallel. So let's take some questions. Now, what is the current flowing through the circuit? So we're given the voltage 12 volts. Now this is in series. The first resistor is in series, while these two are in parallel. So they are both 12, while the first one is 6. So now the resistors in series is 6, just 1. While the resistors in parallel is 1 over 12 plus the second one 1 over 12. So when you solve for the LCM, you should be having over 12 and 2 up. So if you solve well, you should surely have 6 ohms. So the total resistors is 6 plus 6. That is, the ones in series and the one in parallel together. So now we are asked to find I. So I is equals to V over R. So that's 12 over 12, which is equals to 1.